future to your loved ones. We don't want to be feeling burned out.
Yes.
Burned out. We don't want it to be like burden for our kids. You want it to leave something for our kids before we gone to this world. Di ba? Ganyan lang yan siya.
Tama.
Tama. Mm-hmm. Yan lang. So, kailangan natin may goal tayo sa buhay natin. Hindi tayo bumabata eh. Ganyan lang, di ba? So, magkapit lang
Kaya
tayo.
nga.
Kaya nga. Mm-hmm. Imagine that, guys. May 22 years old na
Age
siya.
doesn't
Doesn't
matter.
matter. Pinapagod na talaga siya sa, oh, I'm only 22. I'm already working full-time plus extra 2 part-time jobs, ha? 22 years old pa siya. She's only 22. She's already working 2 extra part-time jobs on top of her full-time.
Mm.
Mm.
It's so
It's so
tiring to
tiring
work
to
and
work
work
and
with
work with
people.
people. It is. And still the same. Same cycle. Getting up, go to work, eat, sleep, get up again, back to routine. Diba?
Every day.
Every day,
Every day of
every
your
day of
life
your life. Mm-hmm.
will be
How,
like
how
that.
was your, how was your soup that you're making?
It's
It's
good. It's
good.
good.
It's
It's
good. It's the
tinola.
tinola. Tinola? Anong nilagay mo sa
Mhm.
tinola?
Don't tell me
Don't
hindi
tell
mo
me hindi
alam.
mo alam. Luya? Tinolang
Yes, of
manok? Yes,
course.
of
And
course.
then,
And then, chayote?
yes,
Yes,
sayote,
chayote,
tama.
tama. Tanglad? May tanglad ba yan?
Wala, wala.
Wala, wala.
Sibuyas,
Sibuyas. Oh, sibuyas.
bawang.
Bawang. Oh, lagyan mo ng bawang rin. Yes, sa akin din.
Hindi ko alam.
Hindi
Basta
ko
yun
alam.
ang
Basta yun ang
ginagawa ko eh.
ginagawa ko eh.
Nakita ko lang eh,
Nakita ko
may
lang eh,
mga
may mga
ingredients.
ingredients. Yung tinatry ko before, yung tinola ako, nilagyan ko din, yung tinolang manok, nilagyan ko din ng ahos. Ang bango talaga ng ahos.
Ano yun?
Ano yun? Ahos yung garlic. Garlic, nilagyan ko ng garlic. Tapos, anong tawag doon? Nilagyan ko ng lemongrass. Nilagyan ko ng lemongrass. Tapos, nilagyan ko ng luya. Tapos, chayote. Tapos, cabbage lang siya. Lego challenge. Tingnan ko nga yan. Yung Lego challenge niya. Ikaw ang nag-challenge dyan.
Nilalagyan mo pa
Nilalagyan
pala
mo pa
ng
pala ng
lemongrass yun?
lemongrass yun? O, lemongrass, yeah. Gusto ko yung
Mm.
first na lemongrass niya
First,
kasi
first time.
First time.
First time
First
malaman
time
ko yan na
malaman
may
ko yan na may
lemongrass.
lemongrass. Tapos, ang sarap din lagyan ng malunggay. Wala namang malunggay dito eh. There's no...
Ay, oo,
Ay,
may
oo, may
malunggay nga
malunggay
yan.
nga yan. Nilagyan mo ng
Kasi yung
malunggay. Kasi yung
binibili namin
binibili
ganun,
namin
may
ganun, may
malunggay.
malunggay. Oh, okay.
I feel cold.
Good. All right, welcome everyone. Welcome. This is our second. Sorry about the kind of a short, the one very short live lang
You
siya
did.
ini-ended ko. So ini-ended ko talaga. It takes like three times yan. It didn't figure out. She couldn't get in. So I have to have her. I have to have sis. We need to do it. And now finally the same thing last Sunday. It won't work for me. I don't know what happened. I don't know what's going on. But for some reason. So
It's
here,
okay.
it's okay.
Experiment.
Experiment. Experiment talaga. That's how you learn. That is how you learn. Okay, let me see here.
Try,
Try,
try and try
try and
until
try until
you,
you succeed.
what?
What? Succeed tayo. Ganyan lang. Okay, let me see here. Okay, let me see. Alright. Pinaparto ko na lang yun kasi nag-wonder yung, di may wonder yun. So, wow, that's a quick live.
Uy, meron
Uy,
pala
meron
siyang
pala siyang
parang
parang
green
green
background, kagaya
background,
ng
kagaya ng
ginagawa mo.
ginagawa mo. Sige, mag-green tayo. Pwede tayo mag-green. Kasi sinasuggest din yan ni Whitey eh. Let me see.
Oo.
Oo. Yan.
Mamaya
Mamaya
nalagyan ko ng
nalagyan ko
ibang
ng ibang
background.
background. Yan, green na tayo. Pwede
O,
pa.
di
O, di
magkadikit na.
magkadikit na. Magkadikit na. Pwede ba yan?